So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is my best friend's birthday. Like, it's not her birthday, well, basically, and her theme is gonna be Halloween. And this is gonna be my fit. These are like, I'm gonna sell them because they were way too small on me. Well, let's go. So we're gonna use them and put blood all over it, and let's go and change it into it. The pants are way too small, so I'm gonna use like a shorts under it. Well, I don't think I need use shorts under. Don't mind. And I'm gonna use socks. This is so fun. I'm gonna scare and I feel bad from myself. Don't ask me why I feel bad. Let's go get ready. Give me my headband. So I just got my headband. I'm just gonna start with the spray.